This month, for my 12 months of Christmas challenge, I focused on items that can go in tiered trays that I can add to my craft show inventory. Hey, it's Beth. Welcome. So the 12 months of Christmas challenge is something that I started doing last year, and it's to help me actually make Christmas items a priority every single month. So my intent for this was to help me prep for craft shows for the fall and holiday season, so that I'm not trying to get all of this Christmas stuff made in the fall when things get busy anyway. So I'm trying to work on craft show inventory throughout the year. So you will see various projects throughout this challenge. Sometimes they're decor pieces, sometimes they're advent calendars, sometimes they're card sets, sometimes it's something, like a personal project that I had wanted to make for myself last Christmas and didn't get to have time to do it. So it's kind of a mixed bag, but the primary focus for me was to work on getting items ready for fall craft shows. My friend Kathy, who is Stampin' Cat over on Instagram, is playing along most months with me. So I will have her Instagram linked in the description box below so you can see what kind of projects she has done for Christmas this month. So this month I focused on tiered tray decorating items. I had some more of these little cubes kind of already painted up and ready to go, so I thought that would be kind of a quick win. And I have a video of how I do these I've done them on videos in the past, so I will link one of those down below so you can see how they're made, but they're really easy. Just unfinished wood cubes that I kind of paint the edges and then use Mod Podge to adhere paper all around it. And then I just have like bows, little gift bows on most of them. So I just try and do them in a mix of like colors and patterns. But they're great in tier trays, or if you have like little, I don't have any nearby, little trees, like the faux trees that you can get them in all different kinds of sizes, and like sometimes they have like the burlap bulb, burlap wrapped around what would be the bulb of the tree. These are actually cute, kind of scattered around there like it's a Christmas tree ready for Christmas. I tend to use mine in my tiered trays just kind of as little filler items. So I have those small ones, and then I also had kind of a larger one that was ready to go as well. So I got 5 of those done. And then last month you saw me make a reversible block using some of Bitty Penny's papers. So I had some more that were already printed out, and so I was like, you know what, I really loved that. I want another one that's going to go along with that, and I want to make more. But so this time I just went with Santa and one of his reindeer for the Christmas side, and then these 2 snowmen on the sled for the winter side. But again, it's small enough it can fit in a tiered tray, but it's reversible so that as soon as Christmas is over, you can turn it around and you have a winter decoration, easy peasy. So then something else that I had wanted to do during the Christmas show season, but I ran out of time, was replenish some beaded garland. So these are fun in tiered trays too. You can kind of wind them around through the tray, let them dangle over the sides, or dangle over some of the things that might be in your tray if you have kind of different levels. And so I have a variety of beads in my stash. One way that I like to get beads is to buy, I go to Hobby Lobby during any season really, and they always have like long strands of wood bead garland. And so at Christmas time I can usually get red and white, and sometimes I've gotten black when they're before. And then they have natural ones, like the natural beads. But it's cheaper to buy the garland, especially when it's on sale, like at 40% off, than it is to buy a pack of beads, say, on Amazon. So I do that. But I did have to go to Amazon for some green beads because I could never find a green garland at Hobby Lobby, even during St. Patrick's season. So that is just how I get my beads. I just string them on some twine, and then sometimes I do tassels on the end. This time, since it was Christmas, I just did a jingle bell. And then I have these little wood shapes that I think were meant to be DIY, like ornaments that you can, make yourself. I think it was like a set that came from Hobby Lobby too. But I just colored the end where the hole was and then used Mod Podge to add paper. So I have two stockings, two different kinds of stockings. And then this one is a little mitten. And again, just kind of used different beads from my stash. These are like larger, more kind of rustic, whereas these are smaller and like more brighter and vibrant. So I got 3 of those done. Sorry for all the jingling. I got 3 of those done, and which was good because I didn't have any left after last Christmas. So that is my set of projects for Christmas this month. I didn't have a ton of time to do Christmas because we have a craft show coming up at the end of February, and so I was kind of focused on more timely inventory for that. But I did have, I thought, oh, these are some quick things that I can get done, because I was making some garlands for spring and summer holidays anyway. So I thought I'd go ahead and get some Christmas garlands done as well, and can check that off for this month's challenge. So again, be sure to check out Kathy's link in the description box below. And I thank you guys so much for your time today, and hope you all have a very crafty day.